Welcome to Aurum Transfers, where luxury meets convenience at every turn. Imagine arriving at your destination and being greeted by your personal chauffeur, ready to whisk you away in comfort and style. At Aurum, we specialize in seamless VIP transportation that lets you relax and enjoy the journey from start to finish. From Montego Bay to Negril, our fleet of luxury vehicles ensures that you experience Jamaica like never before. With tailored services designed to suit your needs, your airport transfer becomes more than just a ride. It's the start of an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're here for business or pleasure, our airport concierge service takes care of everything, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Complimentary Wi-Fi, air-conditioned comfort, and personalized service are all part of the Aurum experience. At Aurum Transfers, it's more than just travel. It's a personalized journey that caters to your every need. Explore the island's beauty, enjoy the VIP treatment you deserve, and arrive in style at your resort, meeting every need along the way. Book your transfer today and discover the art of travel with Aurum Transfers. Experience comfort, style, and seamless service because you deserve the best.